Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to check X comments. So if you also want to check comments of X or Twitter, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch Open X application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see several posts over here. Simply tap on the post of which you want to see the comment. You can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down and you'll be able to check the comments over here. If you want to check the comment of your post, what you have to do is go back, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner. You'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here. At first, you'll be able to see the option for profile. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is tap on your post. Now if someone has commented on your post, you'll be able to check the comments over here. So that is how you check X or Twitter comments. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.